Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the fourth day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding wood types and selection. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, knowing the different types of wood and how to select the right one for your project is essential.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of wood. From oak to pine, each type of wood has its own unique characteristics and uses. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to choose the perfect wood for your next project. Let's start with the basics. Wood can be broadly categorized into two main types, hardwood and softwood. Hardwood comes from deciduous trees like oak, maple, and walnut. It's known for its strength, durability, and beautiful grain patterns. Softwood, on the other hand, comes from coniferous trees like pine, cedar, and spruce. It's generally easier to work with and is often used for construction and outdoor projects.
Now, let's talk about some common hardwoods and their characteristics. Oak is one of the most popular hardwoods due to its strength and versatility. It's commonly used in furniture making and flooring. Maple is another hardwood known for its light color and smooth grain. It's often used for cabinets and cutting boards due to its durability.
Moving on to softwoods, pine is a favorite among woodworkers for its affordability and ease of use. It's commonly used in construction and DIY projects. Cedar is another softwood with a distinct aroma and natural resistance to rot and insects. It's often used for outdoor projects like fences and decks.
When it comes to selecting the right wood for your project, there are a few key factors to consider. First, think about the project's purpose. Are you building furniture that needs to withstand heavy use, or are you making decorative items? Next, consider the wood's appearance. Do you prefer a light, uniform color like birch, or are you drawn to the rich, dark tones of mahogany? Lastly, think about the wood's availability and cost. Some exotic woods may be harder to find and more expensive than domestic varieties. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to wood selection. It all depends on your project's requirements and your personal preferences.
Well, that wraps up our guide to understanding wood types and selection. I hope you found this information helpful for your next woodworking project. In this video, we told you understanding wood types and selection. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series we will learn safety tips and practices in woodworking. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.